Mastering English pronunciation and intonation. Teaching English pronunciation and intonation is a challenging job, and learning it is even harder. Part of the program is that we're born with our first language intonation already programmed into us. From as early as 6 months in utero, babies can hear the intonation patterns of their mother and those around her. To develop skills in English pronunciation and intonation, a teacher must raise awareness in adult students. This begins by recognizing the difference between their first nature communication sound signals and of those of English. So what's the goal? To increase comprehensibility and help students communicate more fully with their listeners. But how would you do that? By following a structured process, students can improve their phrasing, articulation, and intonation. Let's dive into the steps with some examples. Step 1. Identify thought groups. For instance, consider the sentence. First, read through the text for understanding, looking up words, and making sure you understand the meaning. Notice how we pause between phrases to structure our thoughts. It helps beginners to write each part on its own line, forming a vertical list that helps students remember where to pause. Step 2. Link related words. In the phrase seen on the screen, we link read through the to convey a cohesive thought. By connecting related words, listeners hear them as a cohesive thought, rather than having to process each word you say as a separate bit of information. Step 3. Highlight new information. Decide which words in each thought group should be emphasized. The bolded words are the ones that I would emphasize. First, read through the text for understanding, looking up words, and making sure you understand the meaning. Step 4. Spotlight stressed vowels. In the word understanding, we give extra clarity and duration to the stressed vowel A to make it stand out. Step 5. Signal beginnings and endings. We start our speech with a higher pitch and end with a lower pitch, guiding listeners through our message. One strategy that is easy to remember is start higher and lower. By following these strategies and practicing regularly, students can improve their English pronunciation and intonation, leading to more meaningful and fruitful conversations. Happy teaching! If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications for the next time we release a video.